Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Kayla from the YouTube channel Panko Bunny, and today we are going to be making a giant Beebert Rice Krispie treat. So I love Rice Krispies so much, I thought it'd be so much fun to make a giant Best Fiends character out of them. So I've decided to make Beebert, and I think that this would be perfect as like a centerpiece to any party. If you're having a Best Fiends or birthday party, I think that this would be perfect. So let's get started. Okay, so first, to make the black and yellow stripes, you'll need half a cup of margarine or butter, 10 cups marshmallows, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 12 cups Rice Krispies cereal, some yellow food coloring, 2 teaspoons of activated charcoal powder, and some cooking spray. So first, in a microwave-safe bowl, microwave the margarine or butter for 30 to 60 seconds or until melted. Add the marshmallows, mix to combine, then microwave them for 1 to 1.5 minutes, stopping halfway to stir. And you want to heat them until they're melted and smooth when stirred. Divide the mixture between 2 bowls and dye them yellow and black with the food coloring and the charcoal powder. Add 6 cups of Rice Krispies into each bowl and stir until well combined. Reserve about 1 cup of black Rice Krispies, then spray your hands with cooking spray and layer the remaining Rice Krispies into yellow and black layers, and then gently just shape this into an oval. Wrap it in plastic wrap and then pop this into the fridge to chill. Shape the remaining black Rice Krispies into Beebert's glasses and eyes onto a surface covered with greased plastic wrap. Then place this in the fridge to chill as well. Then to make the light and blue accents, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter, 1 1/4 cups of marshmallows, a dash of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of Rice Krispies, half a tablespoon of white food coloring, some blue food coloring, and some cooking spray. In a microwave-safe bowl, microwave the margarine or butter for 30 seconds or until melted. Add the marshmallows, then microwave for 45 seconds to 1 minute, stopping halfway to stir. Heat until melted and smooth when stirred. Then divide into 2 bowls, and then add the white food coloring and blue food coloring and stir to combine. Add 1.5 cups of Rice Krispies to each bowl and stir until well combined. Then coat your hands in cooking spray and use the white Rice Krispies to create the back of the glasses. Create his wings with the blue Rice Krispies and then place both the glasses and the wings into the fridge for 20 minutes to chill. Then simply stick the glasses onto Beebert's body and the wings onto his back, and you are done! So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you'd like to see some more Best Fiends YouTube videos, make sure to subscribe to their channel, which is this channel. And if you have any requests for recipes or any other videos, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. And if you saw these little goodies in the video and you want to pick some up for yourself, we will have them linked in the description box. Definitely take a look. And if you'd like to see some more recipes, head on over to my channel, which is youtube.com/pankobunny, and check out my recipes. I have a ton of them and I upload every single day from Monday to Friday. So there's a ton of stuff there for you. And thank you guys so much, and we will see you guys next time.